Alright, so this is video 1 of lesson 5. Right now I'm just actually running the code on the emulator, so that's going to take a little moment to load up. Once that finishes, I'll be able to go ahead and show you the beginning parts of the code that were done in the lecture videos. Alright, so that just finished reloading. So here we have the two fields where you can put in your login name and password. If you go ahead and try to log in, currently I don't have any users in our cloud system, but if you go ahead and try to log in, let's just say demo, eventually it's going to type, surely it's going to type, maybe it's going to type. Possibly it's going to finish. Okay, it's probably going to crash. Demo. I didn't even press D again. Okay. Alright, it looks like it's oh. Okay. It looks like it finally caught up. Demo ag. Let's just say gmail.com. And then password will be password. Maybe. There it goes. Okay. So you go ahead and hit login. And eventually, once it goes through and checks the database, it'll pop back and say that, hey, there's no user with this email being used. Maybe it got deleted. Like I said, eventually. There it goes. So you get the login error. It's like, okay, it may have been deleted, which that's accurate because I don't have anything in here. So we're going to bounce over to create an account, where you enter in these fields, the email, password, display name, and zip code. So the email, demo@gmail.com, password is password, and then let's say display name, demo, zip 1 2 3 4 5, maybe. So basically we have requirements on this page that say for email you have to have an @ symbol and a $. That's just typical of any email format. The password, we decided to block this out so it's not visible whenever it's typed in plain text. And then display name, demo, I don't remember the requirements for this one, so we'll leave it blank and see what it tells us. And then the zip code has to be at least five numbers long. So you go ahead and hit create account. So, okay, so display name, it requires 3 characters. That was the requirements that we put on there. So now we can go ahead and create an account. It's going to go through the Firebase and go ahead and just like create that account for us. And then it says successful, and basically we created this account with our demo@gmail.com username or email. So we can bounce back over now and go ahead and hit login. It's still the same login credentials. And once we get login with success, it says, okay, go ahead and navigate to your home page. I say, okay, bring me to the home page. Here it displays your email that's used. And then you have this category here where you have your display name, which is demo displayed. You have your email use, and then you have a sign out button. Sign out signs you out. and brings you back to this page. And that's all that we did in the lecture videos.